How to upload a video on vid.io. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily upload your video on vid.io. So first thing, just head over to vid.io website, which is the official website, and first click on first link. You should be heading over to this page. Now I'll simply tap on this demo version since we are not going for a paid version over here, although it is recommended. So just tap on this paid version if you want to create a free video. And once you land on this page, you can simply tap on this or hover over to this product section, and if you want to generate or create a video, you can click on this create and create any one of these videos based on your choice. So since I would like to upload my existing video, I'll simply head over to this edit section and just click on video editor, and it will take me to this page over here where I can simply upload my video by simply tapping on this get started button over here. So it will basically take you to the same page. So just tap on this upload button to actually upload your videos from your computer. Since I've got an existing video, I'll simply tap on this video over here and just click on upload, and just like that you should be successfully able to upload your video to your vid.io account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.